The barn swallows are also confused with sudden onset of the rain on Diwali day here. A pair of barn swallows, they have built a nest in our building. They are resting now. They don't want to get soaked in the rain while flying. They are circling the building, protecting their nest. I don't know when they can get food. Only 10% of the time they are landing like this. Otherwise they are always active from sunrise to sunset. I don't know even. They must be going back to the nest to have a nap at night. Barn swallows in Mopsa.